Today we are going to talk about what is meant by enum. Okay, what's the enum? Enum is a user-defined data type which has a fixed set of related values. That's the enum. So let's create enum. Just give some enum name, and the cases will be left or right. So this is where we can define enum, or else we can remove the case from the second and then we just use comma. So likewise we can add as you like, what are the cases might become for your so this is the way of declaring so main thing we have to going to talk about the raw values. What is meant by raw value? So for defining the raw value, you have to define uh, uh, some protocols. For example, so let's just copy and paste here. Let's just simple. Just we can create some string protocol. So we have to give some raw values. We can't give the same raw value for the both the cases. So we have to declare uh, value for uh, cases for left and right. So just giving some text, it's left. This is nothing but the raw value, it's right. Okay, so this way we can define your raw value. So it's a it really easy for us to uh, get a raw value. So mainly we can use this in uh, switch cases, really helpful in switch cases and all. So for example, uh, what I can say, I just create one variable called directions. Okay, so directions might be just giving as a left. Okay, so this is what I'm just defining. So I'm just creating some functions like get directions. Okay, so it might be going to return some raw values. So just give some switch statement as directions. Oh, so directions. Okay, what might be the cases? One is left, right, another one is right. Correct. So these are the two cases. So what we are going to return, it's a raw value. It's quite simple. Directions, that direction dot raw value. So similarly, same thing. So if you call a function, it's going to return, what's that? Okay, I just missed the semicolon. Okay, it's going to return the value. So it's a raw value. So another thing is we are going to talk about associated value. Associated value, it's quite simple. So let's define one enum, another enum. Okay, just create a enum. What we can say, give like weather, right? Weather type. What kind of types? The cases might be rainy or sunny, right? So here the associated value comes in. Just give some degree as a int. So sunny means we have some, we want to know the uh, degree, right? So how we can make use of associated value? It's quite simple. Just create a function Okay, get weather. Okay, that's it. And then the just send some value like weather. It's a, what's the enum is weather type. Hey, what's that? I just misspelled. Okay, weather. Here also I have to change it. Okay, so I've just created a function. So I'm just using search case. So I'm just getting that value. What may the cases? Might be rainy, yeah, or not sunny. So here comes in, right? So we can give uh, we can give it's kind of we can create some if condition statement like just create like let degree and so here we can make use of if statement over here. So this is the one way, or else here we can create it, not an issue, where degree is greater than 35. Then return some it's too hot. So we can return, right? Return it's raining. It's raining. So we have to return the string, right? Okay, cool. So this is again I have missed the semicolon. The hell it is. So what's that? Switch weather and missing case. What's that? Okay. Okay, we have to create a sunny. Some default should be have. If it is failed, then it will like needs, right? So we don't need this thing at all. Just if it is sunny, and we can return it's not too hot. Like this we can give something, right? So now we are going to talk about, now we're going to call weather dot sunny. So degree is around 21. Just run it off, we get the answer. That is simple, right? So this is the way we can declare enum. Thanks for watching. Will you catch you later? Bye.